Let us begin Chapter 3, Sections 1 and 2. Problem number 1. The table below shows the amount of money in billions of dollars Americans spend on their pets for the years shown. Write this paired data as a set of ordered pairs of the form year, comma, and pet-related expenditures. So let's look at the first year. The first year is 2011, and the pet-related expenditures for that year is 51.0. So that is your X1, Y1. The second pair of points is the second year, 2012, comma, 53.3. The third point is 2013, comma, 55.7. And the last point is the last year, 2014, 58.5. In your own words, write the meaning of the ordered pair 2014, comma, 58.5. So what this means is in the year 2014, so in the year 2014, pet-related expenditures were $58.5 billion. According to the table above. And the increase was 2.8 billion. So every year it increased. The increase is $2.8 billion from the previous year. So from 2013 to 2014, the expenditures increased by $2.8 billion. Create a scatter diagram for the pair data. So we want to look at our table. So your years is always labeled in your x-axis, and here you have the expenditures, which is your dollar value in billions. So here we go from 0, do increments of 5, beginning with 45, 55, and 60, and then the year begins with 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. So for the year 2011, we have about 51. 2012, we have 53. So 53 is a little bit more. 2013, we have 55.7, which is here. And in 2014, we have 58.5. So 2014, 58.5, and that is our scatter plot. What trend in the paired data does the scatter diagram show? Again, looking at all your points, there's an increase. So here you can say that pet-related expenditures increased per year. Going on to number 2, determine if each pair is a solution of the given linear equation. So this is our linear equation, 3x plus y equals 8. Now let's substitute each ordered pair into the equation. Again, remember the first number is the x, and the second number is the y. So we have 3 times x, which is 3 times 2, plus y, which is 3, is equal to 8. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 8. 6 plus 3 is 9, and that does not equal 8. false. Therefore, 2, 3 is not a solution to the given equation. Let's try the second point. Again, x is 0, so we have 3 times 0 plus y, which is 8, is equal to 8. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8 is true. Therefore, 0, 8 is a solution to that given equation. And the third point, let's substitute x and y. X is 8, so 3 times 8 plus y, which is 0, is equal to 8. 24 plus 0 is equal to 8. 24 does not equal 8. False. Therefore, 8, 0 is not a solution to that given equation. Let's try the second equation for number 2. Again, 0 and 0. We have again x and y. So let's plug in the values into the equation. Y is 0 is equal to negative 1/2 times 0. 0 is equal to 0. It's true. Therefore, 0, 0 is a solution to that given equation. Let's try the second point. Y, which is 2, is equal to negative 1/2 times x, which is 4. So 2 is equal to, again, when we multiply fractions, we multiply numerator over denominator, so we have negative 4 over 2. 2 does not equal to negative 2. False. Therefore, 4, 2 is not a solution to that equation. Number 3, for the following equation, x minus y equals 4, find 3 ordered pair solutions by completing the table and then graph the table. So here we want to substitute 0 for x. So we have x minus y is equal to 4. 0 is your x. So 0 minus y is equal to 4. You have negative y equals to 4. Divide by negative 1. Y is equal to negative 4. Again, don't forget a positive divided by negative is a negative. So we have negative 4. Now let's substitute 2 into y. So we have x minus 2 is equal to 4. Combining like terms, we have x is equal to 6. And let's substitute negative 1 into your x. We have negative 1 minus y is equal to 4. Adding 1 to both sides, we have negative y is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. Divide by negative 1. Y is equal to negative 5. Now let's graph these points on our table. So 0, negative 4 is right here. This is your y-intercept, negative 4. Let's plot x is 6 and y is 2. We have 6, 2 is right there. And negative 1, negative 5 is right here. And let us draw the line through the points. And that completes sections 3, chapter 3, sections 1 and 2.